Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanation of anticipatory socialization. Anticipatory socialization occurs as people prepare for new social roles that they see themselves stepping into. It includes learning and planning for our future. While we typically think about our future in terms of goal planning and achievement of those goals, anticipatory socialization occurs when those goals include imagining ourselves taking on new statuses and roles different from what we're accustomed to. It involves, for example, practicing new skills, reading books, and observing others. Attending schools or enrolling in workshops, volunteering, internships, and talking to people about their own experiences are more ways that anticipatory socialization takes place. These activities help us transition into new roles. This can be compared to athletes practicing for a competition. They imagine themselves competing as they practice. Just as children are socialized as they interact with their social environments, anticipatory socialization is similar in that we are also learning new values, ways of thinking about ourselves, new norms, and behavior in anticipation of what's ahead of us. We should also keep in mind that these types of activities that we engage in during anticipatory socialization are not only defined and shaped by culture and society, but also differ across cultures. For example, in some cultures, young adults are expected to enter apprenticeships instead of college, or formal vocational training to learn a skill or a trade. Training for a job or career is an obvious example of anticipatory socialization. However, not so obvious examples can include getting married, becoming a parent, or even a grandparent, separation or divorce. Preparing for the transition from one life stage to another, such as retirement, is another example of anticipatory socialization. As children, we imagined what it would be like transitioning from elementary school to junior high, high school, and eventually college. Teachers and parents prepared us. We listened to stories from older siblings and observed how older kids acted in our neighborhood and in movies. As people engage in anticipatory socialization, this maintains societal stability as the transition into new roles occurs without much disruption to social order. Anticipatory socialization provides continual transitions into adulthood, careers, changes in status, such as parenthood. So the next time you plan your list of goals, include in your review any new statuses or roles that you're preparing for, and consider what you can do to help with your transition. Learning the cultural values, norms, and expectations tied to a new status or role will make you feel more confident when stepping into your new social identity. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.